Claude Code or VS Code Agent Mode. Both promise autonomous AI coding, but they live in completely different worlds. Today, I'm showing you which one actually fits your workflow, not just hype. Subscribe if you want honest tech comparisons. Quick breakdown. Claude Code is Anthropic's terminal agent, runs in your command line, works with any editor. VS Code Agent Mode is Microsoft's built-in feature, lives inside VS Code with GitHub Copilot, fully integrated into the IDE. Same goal, opposite approaches. Where they actually work. This matters more than you think. Claude Code is editor agnostic, you can keep using Vim, Neovim, Emacs, Sublime, whatever. Agent Mode only exists inside VS Code. If you're not using VS Code, it's not an option. Simple as that. Integration philosophy. Agent Mode has deep VS Code integration. It reads your diagnostics, monitors compile errors, accesses your entire workspace context automatically. Claude Code operates externally through terminal commands. You explicitly grant file and network access. Agent Mode feels native. Claude Code feels like a separate tool. MCP and extensibility. Both support Model Context Protocol now, but differently. Agent Mode discovers MCP servers from your Claude desktop config automatically and offers built-in tools like web fetch, symbol search, and even a thinking tool for complex reasoning. Claude Code's MCP support is newer and requires manual server configuration. Agent Mode wins on plug-and-play extensibility. Model access. Here's where it flips. Claude Code uses Anthropic's models exclusively, Sonnet 4.5, Opus 4, Haiku. Agent Mode through Copilot gives you model choice GPT-4, O, Claude Sonnet, even experimental models. More variety with Agent Mode, but Claude Code's models are optimized for the tool. Autonomous behavior. Agent Mode monitors terminal output, autocorrects compilation errors, and iterates in a loop until tasks complete. It's truly hands-off for multi-file refactors. Claude Code uses checkpoints and requires more explicit approval for changes. Agent Mode is more autonomous. Claude Code gives you more control points. Pricing reality. Claude Code needs any Claude paid plan starts at $17 a month. Agent Mode requires GitHub Copilot free tier available, but serious use needs Pro at $10 a month for individuals. Agent Mode is technically cheaper for most users. Bottom line, Agent Mode if you're already in VS Code and want native integration. Claude Code if you're loyal to another editor or want Anthropic's model specifically. Both are excellent, your editor choice decides for you. Links below. Which editor are you using? Comment and tell me. Like, subscribe. Catch you next time.